Hey, so today I'll show you how to pin and color notes in Google Keep in 2026. This helps you organize your notes faster and keep your most important tasks always visible. First, open Google Keep on your phone or computer. I mean, you can use it anywhere as long as you're signed in. Next, open any note you want to pin. Then tap the pin icon at the top. This moves your note to the top instantly. Now, pinned notes will always stay at the top section. This is perfect for your most important tasks or reminders. If you don't need it pinned anymore, just tap the pin icon again. It goes back to normal position. Now, open a note and tap the color palette icon. You can choose different colors for different types of notes. For example, use red for urgent tasks, blue for study notes, or green for personal reminders. Colors make everything easier to find. Now, the best method is combining both. Pin important notes and color code them for fast organization. Once you do this, everything syncs automatically across all your devices. You'll see the same layout on phone and computer. If your notes get messy, unpin old notes and change colors anytime. This keeps your workspace clean and organized. So that's how you pin and color notes in Google Keep. Once you use this system, your notes become much easier to manage. Thanks for watching.